In the heart of India lies a city known for celebrating the cosmic art of creation. But Khajuraho presented me with something far more beautiful. Only a few minutes away from the ancient city, I found Raneh Falls. Majestic, stunning, left me speechless. The waterfall slid down the rugged rocks, like gentle drops of love pouring in my heart. I stood there, stunned into silence. But there was no need for words. Madhya Pradesh may be known for its architectural wonders, but it was in the hidden corners where nature shined. That was where I found my love and lost my heart.